This skinny but symmetrical knot is the Shelby knot. Perfect for tall people that love a dimple. Let's tie number 11 of the top 50 knots. Slow the playback speed if the next steps go too quick. Throw our power play necktie over your neck with the blade or wide end on the right. Flip the flap and tie so the inseam is facing out. Get the length right by making the blade about an inch longer than the tip of your right hand. Take the blade under the tail or skinny end to create the neck loop. You got that? Because here's where it gets knotty. Create the knot by taking the blade down through the neck loop to the left. So far so good, no casualties yet. Then take the blade in front of the knot to create the front loop. We're almost done. Finish the knot by taking the blade up through the neck loop and then down through the front loop. Now this is key. Tighten the knot by pulling the blade down quickly to create the dimple. That's probably the most important step right there. Cinch the knot by holding the tail and pushing the knot up to your handsome neck. Lastly, secure the flapping tail by putting it through the keeper loop. Voila! You look sharp with a perfect Shelby knot. If you didn't get it tied, rewind and slow the playback speed. If your tie's too short to cover the button of your pants, then get the length right at the start by making the blade longer, or shorter if it's too long. This knot doesn't take a lot of length to tie, so it's great for tall people who chronically suffer from what I call crop top tie. It was popularized by a well-dressed TV anchor named Don Shelby. Say hi to Don in the comments. And thank him for saving tall guys from looking like they raided a kid's closet. Another great knot for tall people is the Kent knot. You can check that out here. Or elevate any suit by folding a pocket square with this video here. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button so you'll remember me next time you need to tie a tie. And as always, gentlemen, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.